we were waiting in the parking lot for our two friends, and then they texted us saying they're already at the station. So now we have to rush to the station to catch our train. Noobs. Noobs.
Can't trust them.
It is beautiful today. It's been a beautiful week.
Right? Like what was it? Like 2 days ago you could see the mountains perfectly?
Right.
Like
yesterday too, man. Yesterday was like just crystal clear all day. Okay.
We're so sorry.
You guys.
It was like a gross miscommunication. Like, I'm sorry.
Shame.
I didn't.
Shame.
I'm sorry.
It is a gorgeous day today and perfect weather for what we are doing today. Today I'm going on a little tour of Toyama City with the Japan America Society of Toyama. It should be really awesome. We're going, I think, only to places that I've been before already, but still, they're awesome places and I'm excited for the tour. First stop is taking this tram. Taking a short stop at this like old looking station. I think it's a defunct station.
This line former JR line. JR line.
Okay, JR line. Yeah.
When JR line on line, this station is live.
Okay. But now it's not used. Okay. This area has 16 temples, and this is one of them. This is the umbrella tree. This tree is precisely 500 years old. It was planted in 1515. Planted, or started growing, I don't know. Becca's gonna creep into every shot now, so just keep an eye out for her.
Oh, next level, Henry.
And next level Henry. This will be a little game we can play today.
Okay.
So this road, we got an explanation earlier. This is a road, so back in like ancient Japan, the old feudal lords, the local feudal lords, they were required to go to Tokyo every 2 years. That was just like part of their thing. So they had to leave their families behind and just go to Tokyo every 2 years. But they didn't have cars or trains or anything, so they had to walk or take horses there. It was a long journey. This road right here, this is one of the paths that those feudal lords took to go to Edo, to go to Tokyo. And so people set up like inns and shops along this street to show like hospitality for their now I'm just laughing because there's someone creeping behind me. But yeah, people shut up. I can't do this anymore. That was a super cool old house. We are the stragglers of this group. The leader keeps getting mad at us because we stop to take pictures so often.
We missed the observatory because we take so much time.
Yeah, they just canceled one leg of our trip. But next we get to ride that thing. You excited to get on this boat?
Absolutely excited.
Me too. I thought we were getting on the other one.
I know.
This one's cool though.
This one's more open. We can kind of lean over and stuff. Like that's kind of closed.
Yeah.
I like this better. More open.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say
More old
open
school.
up. I'm gonna say open.
It's
a few more
open.
times.
You know? We get that open air. Everything's open.
Yeah, everything's open. The sun's open.
You know? We're just open to everything. That fisherman over there is her dad. That's hilarious. Henry, we got a spot at the front.
The front.
The front. Move over. Here. What's up, everyone at the front? Hey. Hey. Stop is lunchtime at Canal Park Hotel. Orcs? Orcs. Are you hungry?
Hungry.
Are you hungry?
Hungry.
Henry, are you hungry?
I'm starving.
Lisa, are you hungry?
Lunch!
Lunch! Everyone is hungry because we are so slow that we delayed the schedule. It's our own fault. That was really good. The best part was seeing the reactions of the high school girls. They make the best faces. What is going on over here? Looks like they're having a fun party. That's perfect. Dun, 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 dun. Next we are going to the Glass Museum. We are gonna ride this tram, oh yeah.
Hey,
Next
let
we
me
are-
join on this little song. This is our thing we like to sing.
We are not riding this tram.
We are going on the loop line, track 3.
Oh, loop line. Dun 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 dun. Oh! Cause the haters gonna hate. Baby, I just wanna shake. I shake it off. 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 I shake it off.
Alright, Glass Museum, here we come.
Cause we're going to the Glass Museum, and we're gonna see some Glass Museum. Going to the Glass Museum at Kirari. Mata kita. It's my second time here. I filmed it for the vlog the first time, so I probably won't film too much, but it might take 1 or 2 time lapses. I love this place though, it's so gorgeous. Look at that. I don't even know if I can describe what we just saw in this room. There was no pictures allowed, but it was a dark room with a little miniature train going around a track with a light, an LED light on the train. And it was casting shadows on the wall as it passed by various like household objects. And it looked like it was just traveling through like scenery, like countryside and then cityscapes and through tunnels and over a bridge, all from just like household objects. It was awesome. Super cool. That was my favorite thing all day. Time to go. Bye-bye. Everyone is very, very tired. Me too.